Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair skyrocketed 2.1% in the last session. The Ultimate Oscillator's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The euro-dollar pair made a minor upwards correction in the last session, rising 0.1%. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The RSI's positive signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The Aussie dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
LG Display, one of the world's biggest makers of electronics displays, said it was bracing for lower prices in the second half of the year as the easing of COVID-19 lockdowns hits demand for TVs and other gadgets. A UK government scheme to help small businesses handle the disruption associated with Brexit has awarded just a third of its total funds, amid complaints that its complexity had discouraged companies. CT, a Norwegian investment company focused on Bitcoin, has become the newest investor in the Bitcoin and Lightning company Breeze.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
Australia's import price index will be released at 1:30 GMT, Australia's export price index at 1:30 GMT, Germany's harmonized index of consumer prices at 1200 GMT. Japan's jobs applicants ratio will be released at 23:30 GMT, Japan's unemployment rate at 23:30 GMT, Germany's unemployment rate at 7:55 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.